We're here with Kurt and Tom, KTL Restorations. 5 years they've been restoring this car for Joe Valente. Crazy, crazy detail here. Tell me about it. What makes you take on a project like this, and are you going to do it again?
I will do any of them all the time, and it's doesn't matter. It's my hobby, and they all belong to me. It's 6.5 liter. Supposedly on a Marti report, this is 1 of 1. It has air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, and with a Parchment interior. And it's not in too bad of a shape, and we're going to be doing a total ground restoration on this car. As you can see, it's got some interesting things here. It has the tire pressure gauge, tire pressure sticker on the door. Okay, let's move over to the motor.
Great experience to get to work on these cars, and you know, I hate that my dad ain't here, because you know, we've come a long way in the last 3 years, where he would be very proud.
Rare one. This is one of 17. It is a small block, 4-speed car. Okay.
We decided we was going to take a shot at this full time, and basically 11 years later, here I am. 3 years ago, he passed away. I took the complete business over. And everything we do, I do in memory of him. What we do here is we take a number 10 car and we bring it into a number 1 car. Me and my guys, we live to make these cars perfect for our clients.
by Cougar specialist KTL Restorations. During the 1970 run, 2,200 Cougars were produced with the Eliminator package. 127 of those left the factory with the 428 drag back option. 10 on there, get up, pay 60 on there, get down 50 pounds and not a bag, 60 pounds and not a bag. I'm 60 pounds down, down, get money, money. Hey, 130 pounds down, down, get high, 145. Hey, sold 140,000.
Congratulations, buddy.
Oh, my adrenaline's still flowing.
I know, he grabbed my hand in the car and he goes, I'm sweaty. I go, I'm sweaty. He goes, I want a pill. I said, I want a pill and a drink.